everybody. Hope everybody's doing well out there today. It's Tuesday. It's like 85 degrees here, 90 degrees here. It's hot, man. I'm heading to the gym. We're gonna make it a good day. Close out the day on a positive note. We are off to the races. Heading to the gym. It's leg day, my least favorite day of the week, but the most necessary, I think. Get the most bang for your buck from hitting legs, burn a lot of calories, shred a lot of fat, build the most muscle doing legs. So you got to do it. Do it, man. So like I said, hope everybody's having a great day out there wherever you're at, whatever time it is you're listening in. Appreciate you guys for watching, tuning in to another video. Quote of the day today is, you either pay with discipline now or you pay with regret later. And I heard that today and I was thinking, damn, that's a good little something I want to talk with the viewers on today. Was that, right? That's something that as I head into this workout, it's like, you know, I gotta stay disciplined. I gotta stay disciplined to the action of hitting legs today, completing my 3-day split. Push-pull legs is my split for anybody that works out and is interested in what my plan is. I do sort of like the Arnold Schwarzenegger style, like 3-day push-pull leg split. But anyways, it's all about discipline, man. I just posted a video the other day about not quitting and how I stay consistent, and this kind of is in the same vein. It's, you either pay with discipline now or you pay with regret later. That can be said for your retirement. Some people don't save enough money for retirement. Some people don't live a healthy life when they're younger. Some people don't build their relationships and foster their relationships in their life, you know, and take advantage of the people around them, you know, as they grow up. Taking advantage of the relationships that you have and putting time and effort into those relationships. Whatever it may be, right? Like, whatever it may be, if you don't have discipline now, chances are you're gonna have regret later in life. And if you're listening to this and you're on the fence about something, whatever it may be, whatever that came to your mind just now when I said that, just know, man, all it takes is a little confidence. All it takes is a little push to be your best self. Stay disciplined and go out and get that thing that you're wanting. Me myself, I'm very much, you know, I'm in the world of financial planning. That's my line of work, and so I see a lot of people all the time that, you know, don't set themselves up for the future. They don't set themselves up with a plan for retirement, for example. And that's the biggest mistake I think I see on a day-to-day basis, alongside people that never got healthy, never ate well, never stuck to a diet, didn't get in the gym, and build the foundation for a successful, healthy body, to allow for, you know, their mind and their spirit to flourish. Mind, body, and soul, man, that's what we are. If your body's not in it, if your mind's not in it, if your soul's not in it, whatever it may be, you're gonna have a disconnect. But, yep, that's the quote today. So, be disciplined today so you don't have regret later, and you will thank yourself. Coming from Unk, you know what I'm saying? Coming from a almost 30-year-old, I've learned my lesson countless numbers of times. And if you stay disciplined each day of the week, your weekend's better, you know? You have a better time with your friends, better time with yourself if you stay disciplined throughout the week. You don't go into your weekend feeling regretful, you know. And the same can be said for, you know, stretch that timeline out to a month, to a year. The harder you work, the more you stay disciplined, the better life is, less regret. So, pop out, take a look at the whip. Sort of a quicker video today, I think. But man, mineral white's really shining on these summer days. I got coilovers getting delivered tonight, so I'm stoked on that. I got lowering springs on the car right now, so it's not stock height, but it's still pretty, you know, we still got some gap. But I'm gonna take it down to the wheel and the rear and get about a finger gap on the front. So yeah, I'm excited. But anyways, just wanted to pop on and give you guys some daily motivation, because shoot, man, I think we could all use it. So that's all from me. Appreciate you guys for watching. I thank you guys for the support, the kind comments that you guys have been leaving. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Follow me along the journey of building the M4 and taking you on a journey of my life, and you know, the thoughts that go through my head, and the experiences that I can hopefully share with you guys and help you guys out, you know, however I can. So that's what I'm here for, is to build a community around me and connect with like-minded individuals, people that are interested in cars, you know, motivated on getting better cars. I will not always be in the F82. Someday I'll have a nicer car. I don't know when that will be, because I plan on having kids one day and getting married. It's like my 5-year plan, getting a house. But anyways, we will get a better car one day. But for now, it's the F82. So, like I said, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. And until next time, peace.